Hey there, history enthusiasts and celebrity fans. Welcome back to Celebrities in History, your ultimate source for fascinating, weird, and mind-blowing facts about famous figures and their unforgettable moments. Today, we're diving into 20 astonishing celebrity events that happened on November 4th throughout history. Trust us, some of these will leave you speechless. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Number 20. On November 4th, 1969, music mogul Sean Combs, also known as P. Diddy, was born. Turning 55 on November 4th, 2024. He's been making us dance since the 90s. Can't stop, won't stop. But he is currently in prison awaiting trial for various crimes. Number 19. Matthew McConaughey was born on November 4th, 1969. Turning 55, this Oscar-winning actor keeps getting older, but his charm stays the same age. All right. Number 18. On November 4th, 1972, Portuguese football legend Luís Figo was born. Turning 52, he's dribbled his way into soccer history and our hearts. Number 17. On November 4th, 1937, actress Loretta Swit was born. Turning 87, she's best known as Major Margaret Hot Lips Houlihan on Ma H, proving that military attire can be fashionable. Number 16. Will Rogers, American humorist and actor, was born on November 4th, 1879. He lived to age 55, leaving behind witticisms that still make us chuckle. Number 15. On November 4th, 1961, actor Ralph Macchio was born. Turning 63, the original Karate Kid still knows how to wax on, wax off. Number 14. On November 4th, 1922, archaeologist Howard Carter discovered the entrance to King Tutankhamun's tomb. Not a celebrity himself, but he made a pharaoh into one overnight. Number 13. On November 4th, 2008, Barack Obama was elected the 44th President of the United States, becoming the first African American to hold the office. Yes, we could. Number 12. On November 4th, 1842, Abraham Lincoln married Mary Todd. Honest Abe tied the knot, proving even future presidents have to pop the question. Number 11. On November 4th, 1986, singer and actress Alex Johnson was born. Turning 38, she's been enchanting us since her days on Instant Star. Number 10. On November 4th, 1966, the Arno River flooded Florence, Italy, damaging priceless art. Even Michelangelo couldn't keep his masterpieces high and dry. Number 9. On November 4th, 2001, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone premiered in London. The boy who lived began his cinematic journey. Axio Popcorn. Number 8. On November 4th, 1918, actor Art Carney was born. He lived to age 85, best known as Ed Norton on The Honeymooners, proving sewer workers can be lovable. Number 7. On November 4th, 1974, singer Louise Redknapp was born. Turning 50, this English singer has been poppin' tunes since her days with Eternal. Number 6. On November 4th, 1963, Scottish singer Lena Zavaroni was born. She lived to age 35, becoming the youngest person to have an album in the UK Top 10. Talk about hitting high notes early. Number 5. On November 4th, 1980, Ronald Reagan was elected as the 40th President of the United States. From Hollywood to the White House, talk about a blockbuster career. Number 4. On November 4th, 1995, Israeli Prime Minister Yitzhak Rabin was assassinated at age 73. A Nobel Peace Prize laureate whose legacy still resonates. Number 3. On November 4th, 1970, Michelle Phillips of the Mamas and the Papas married actor Dennis Hopper. The marriage lasted only 8 days. Short, but not so sweet. Number 2. On November 4th, 2002, the video game Ratchet & Clank was released for PlayStation 2. Not a celebrity per se, but it launched a franchise that's been entertaining gamers for years. Number 1. On November 4th, 2011, the film Tower Heist was released, starring Eddie Murphy and Ben Stiller. A comedic caper proving that revenge is a dish best served funny. If you enjoyed this journey through celebrity history, Make sure to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more mind-blowing facts, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support keeps us digging up the most astonishing tales from the past.